you'll see equations like this all over the ACT. And if you know the right move, this one takes just a few seconds. Guessing might work once in a while, but knowing simple algebra is what makes even harder ACT questions feel manageable. In this video, you'll learn how to solve simple algebra questions on the ACT by isolating the variable step by step. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. Simple algebra is all about balance. Whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must do to the other. Let's start with a basic example. X divided by 3 equals 10. Our goal is to undo the division and get x by itself. To isolate x, multiply both sides by 3. The division cancels out, and we're left with x equals 30. A common mistake is changing only one side. That breaks the balance and gives the wrong answer. So far, we've focused on keeping equations balanced and undoing operations to isolate the variable. Ready to lock in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Now let's level up with a typical ACT equation, one with parentheses and variables on both sides. First, distribute the 3 across the parentheses, meaning it multiplies both terms inside, to simplify the right side. Next, move all the variable terms to one side and all the constants to the other. After simplifying, divide to isolate a. That gives us a equals 2. On the ACT, algebra works every time. But in some cases, strategies like backsolving can be faster. When expressions include variables, choosing an easy number, like 2, can be faster than solving everything symbolically. Plug your chosen value into each answer choice and pick the one that matches your result. This helps confirm the correct expression efficiently. Now, to recap, simple algebra on the ACT is about isolating the variable, simplifying carefully, and checking your work to avoid balance mistakes. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.